Okay guys, I'm on the Squeeze Page Creator, that simple Squeeze Page Creator. Um, and what I did is I entered my email, they sent me an email, I confirmed it, and now they sent me a link, and here I am. Now I'm going to press on this, and we're going to see what happens. Okay, so we've got four choices here of sales pages. Okay, so this one looks pretty good. They're just simple, as you can see, right? But it's very handy for someone that doesn't know how to do anything. Okay, so let's just choose this one here. Warning, next step. Okay, so we're going to have the title that appears at the top of the page. Okay, and then we've got the description, the theme, we've got different colours and all that. So I'm just going to quickly fill some of this stuff in. Okay guys, I've just filled in a couple of things here, okay? So basically it's like a normal web page. So it's pretty cool that they've included the search engine optimization in this. So now I'm going to press next. Okay, so we've got the main headline above the fold. Okay, the text area and the sub headline. So I'm just going to quickly fill these out as well. Okay guys, I'm back and I've filled in a couple of things here. Now I've actually got a book to give away. It's about search engine optimization. So I've filled this in. So this is the main headline. It's usually the big thing in red. So I've got full-time blogger reveals all about SEO. No secrets, just the facts. That's a big red headline, hopefully. I haven't used this before, so yeah. And this is a sub-headline. Can you believe people actually sell this information for $27 plus? Right, and then there's some text. It says what the free report has got in it. Okay, and now I'm going to press next. Okay, so what do we got here? The opt-in headline, okay, and the footer headline copy. Okay, so I'm going to pause it again and I'm going to fill this stuff in. Okay, I have done this again. I've filled out just two little lines here. Now I'm going to the next step. Okay, so now I've got to get my opt-in code, which I will, and paste it in there. So you would either have to have Aweber or MailChimp or something like that. So go get your code. Alright, I'm going right now. Okay guys, I went to my MailChimp account and I've got the code. I'm just going to paste it in. And then I'm just going to go to the next step. Okay. Okay, so I've got two choices here. I can preview it and I can download it. So let's preview the site. And here it is here. Okay, so let's have a look at it. Right, so now I know what is going on here. It's very, very simple. I realised that it's actually copied the exact form, so I'm better off making it nicer from the start. This looks okay, but it doesn't need a full stop there. That looks okay. It looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do is get that form and center it. This looks good, and this could do with some capital letters here, okay? This looks a bit, do you know what I mean? Like it looks like a heading, so we need capital letters. And this one here, this needs 3 lines of text, not 2. Alright, and so what do you think about that? Pretty cool or what? Now this here, down here, the link here, you can, if you want to, you can take away, because it's a opt-in page or whatever, you don't really want the link there. But if you're going to take it away, make sure you go and promote this person in another way, like I am doing right now, because this is fantastic. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. It's nice and simple. Alright, So I'm going to go back to the wizard, which is there, and there we go. So now I know what to do. I can download that and I can edit it because I know what to do. So I'll just press on download. If you know HTML, then you can do it that way. Okay, so I'm going to save the file. I'm going to just save it somewhere. I don't know. And just there will be fine. So I've saved it, and what I'm going to do is install it into my website and use it as a sign up page for my new PDF report that I'm giving away. Alright, thanks for watching. Hi guys, it's Mitz here from WordPress Website Builder. So I want to show you how to install a HTML page even though you've got WordPress installed and stuff like that. So what I've done is I went to HostGator, which is here inside my thing, my website, and I went to File Manager and went to the website that I wanted to edit, okay, which was WordPress Website Builder. Then I ended up in the File Manager here. Okay, so this is the root directory of it. Now the first thing I did is create a folder for this page to go in. So what it is a sales page. So it's going to be independent of my WordPress website. Okay, so I don't want the files to be out here because it's got its own index page. Okay, so I created a folder. So I went up here and I said new folder, and I named it SEO My Way. So then I go in there. Now the next thing I did was upload the zip file of the HTML page that I got. So what I did was go and create a free sales page with the free generator that I was using, and I'll give you a link to that as well. Anyway, now what I did is I unzipped it. So I clicked on here and then right clicked on it and said extract. Okay, and then what happened is it made a folder here, and I renamed the folder because it looked a little bit ugly. So I right clicked on it. Oh, wait a minute. I right clicked on it again and said rename, and I just put FR. Now I'll show you why in a minute. FR is standing for free report. And then if I go inside, it's got another folder. It's got a weird name on it again, a weird number, and I don't like that. So I'm going to right click on it and rename it, and we're going to call it something down here. So we're going to call it SEO, okay, dash my dash way. Okay, now it doesn't matter whether you've got capital letters or whatever, you can do whatever you like. Change it down to small ones, okay, it's probably easier, you never know. Okay, so rename it. So there we go, it's renamed. Now, how do I get to my sales page? Because the whole little website package that I created is here. See, it's got an index page, images, CSS for it and everything. Okay, just go back again. Now this is how I get to it. That is the name of the page. So I'm going up here and I'm taking this part. See, WordPress Website Builder, keep going. Oop. Don't know whether I've got it all, but let's have a look. I'll just go select all. Oh, wait a minute. I actually got to go in there to be on that path. Sorry about that. So I've got to go like this. See how it's got the SEO My Way? That's because I'm in that folder. Right, so I'm going to copy it and I'm going to open up a new tab and I'm going to go to it. So I'm going to paste it in here. See, it's got WordPress website builder.com and then SEO My Way, free report, SEO My Way. Right, now remember I've got a WordPress website on this website here. Okay, so I'm going to press go and we're going to go to the page that I made. Okay, now here it is, it's loading. Right, there it is there. This is the sales page. I know it's a little bit simple and everything, but I'm going to edit it. I haven't finished yet. Now there's a missing picture here, so obviously you've got to watch it when you do change the name of the folders and stuff like that, because this picture might be set for that or something. So this picture showed up okay, that's fine. Let's see if I can just refresh it. Okay, so I can see that picture's not showing up. But anyway, that's how I got to it. Now, if I take that away and go to my WordPress website, there we go. See, here's my full website, and that little sales page is on the back of it, so I can point to it anytime I like. So I'll just go back again. Here it is. Oh, there we go. The picture showed up finally. Right, because I must have confused it by changing the thing. Okay, so this is a little squeeze page, right? Now, if I take that, copy that, I can link to this. I can go and send this to my list and say, here we go, sign up, or you can send it to wherever you like. I'm actually putting it in a guest blog at the moment, and that's why I needed to create it. Okay, now I need to tidy it up a bit before I do that and send people here, but I'm going to do it. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to edit that little sales page that we just made. Oh, squeeze page, sorry. Okay, so the first thing we can do is go into the index PHP and right click and press edit. And we'll just press edit again because it gives us a choice. And we can edit the code here. So one of the things that I noticed is that it has the footer link here, okay, and the footer info. So there's no problem with taking that out if you like and putting something else that you want. So just say we can align it, blah blah blah, but what here, in here, we can just put our link to our page. So we'll go http://WordPress website builder. Okay, make sure you've done it right and spelt it right. I often spell it wrong. And then here, this is the info, but we're going to put the anchor text, right? And also you can put another thing saying get your own sales page, but a bit smaller because the link that the guy had was pretty big. So I'll go to the simple sales page thing and get the main thing here. And because I don't want to, when you're making a squeeze page, you don't want to distract them away from what you're doing. Okay, now where is my editor gone that I had? Oh, here it is. So now, as I said, we will put a link to his thing as well. So we'll put a full stop and we'll say get a free squeeze page. Squeeze page. Okay, so what I'm going to do is make that into a link there. So get a, let's put a href equals dint. Okay, so I'll just finish the link, which is dirt. Right, so that's done. And put a full stop. Rightio. Now there is another way I could have done that as well. So anyway, I'm going to save that. So we'll go up the top here and say save changes. Right. So I'm going back to where I was. Now let's go in here. And we've got all the individual pages here. So the main headline text I can edit. The main title, etc., etc. Let's have a look at the opt-in headline. That was okay. So what I'll do is I'll have a look at my page and I'll see what I want to. I'm just going to refresh it because I did fix this part up. See how I put extra in there? Okay, so that's fine now. Now this one here, do you think that's okay? Did I spell that right? I don't know, but I'll check. I hate to tell you that I use it for, I just Google it. Google it, see if it comes up with a problem. Okay, so it's fine. Now that's terrible, isn't it? So I'm going to leave that the way it is. I'm going to leave that. This one here I could probably make into a couple of capitals there. And this part is not good. Now here's what I just did just then, see? So website builder, WordPress website builder, get a squeeze page. Okay. And I can also put more in here as well. So I can even put a picture of my book if I want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix this up right now. So that was just from MailChimp. So I'll go to MailChimp and I'm going to edit that code there. So let's go and have a look and see the space for editing the code. It's the opt-in headline, the opt-in code. There it is there. So let's press edit. Yep. Right. And there it is there. See, it's just the opt-in code. Simple. So all I have to do is replace it. So I'll go and get it. Go to MailChimp. Right. See, it got the exact form there. Very ugly. So I'm going to go for this form here. And yeah, this one looks a lot better. And it's actually taking the whole thing. So yeah. Anyway, I'm going to take the code, copy it, take it back to where I was. I hope I'm not confusing everyone here. I'm going to paste it and see how it's a lot bigger now because it's got a bit of style added to it. I'm going to press save changes. Now I'm going to the page. I'm going to refresh it and see what happens with my... There we go. Look at that. See how cool that is now? That looks much better. Rightio, now you can see what's happening here. It's looking a lot better. Alright, I'm happy with that. It's okay. I'm going to try this. I'm going to take that full stop away because that's really, really annoying me. Because at that point I think you need a few full stops or none. So that's called the opt-in footer. So all I have to do is go there and look for the opt-in headline and then the sub-headline. So you get the picture of how you do this. There's the footer link there. I could have edited it there, but I've done it on the main thing. The footer info, yep. Footer headline text, footer headline text. It's a little bit confusing, so it's in one of these. So let's see if it's this one. Let's just press view and see what it is. Yeah, no, that's not it. So I'll close that. So the footer link, we could have gone in here and we could have edited it through this way, because they've got, there we go, they've got their link there, but I've edited it and it looks pretty good, so that's fine. Meta description, keywords, title, opt-in code, opt-in headline. Let's check out this one. It must be this one. Let's have a look. No, it's not that one. But I may as well, while I'm here, jazz this up a bit with some capitals, because, you know, and see what it looks like. Because if it doesn't look good, I'll just come back and fix it. Okay, because remember, it's a little bit of a squeeze page, so it's not just like an ordinary, you know, page. You need a bit of jazzing up here. Right, so we'll save that. So that one's done. Get rid of it. What's this one? Yep, that's the code. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Right, we'll go back. Now we can even put a video in there. Okay, it says video code text. Ah, that's interesting. I can make a quick video and stick it in there. Well, that's what I'll do next time. Okay, so I'll make another sales page and put some video in there. That'll be pretty cool. Well, I can't find it. It's there somewhere. I just want to take that little dot away, which is really annoying me. Could be in here. Let's have a look. The footer headline. Oh yeah, that's it. Rightio. So let's put a few dots there just to satisfy me, and press save. And now let's go and refresh the page. Okay, so these are going to be made into capitals and stuff like that. There we go. Okay, so that's it. There's my dots. You know, there's my stuff. Looks pretty good. Okay, so that's it. I could put a picture of the book there as well. I'll do that another time. We'll just keep it simple for now. Alright, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the free sales page. Okay, bye.